Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Easy Craft Videos. I hope all my viewers are fine and enjoy the days of your life. I am back with another beautiful garden backyard ideas with a Pebble style, with a Pebble artwork designs, colorful Pebble artwork that recreate and transform your house. If we discuss about the garden backyard beauty, it's a wonderful place, guys. It is quiet, green, and full of life. Many people uh, love the garden decoration, and most of the people love spending time with there because it's bring a peace and happiness, joy and love. You don't need a big space to enjoy a garden, but a small backyard can be full of beauty with beautiful people artwork that is most creative. Side corner table ideas, how to recreate the side corners designs of your garden. You can plant a colorful flowers like roses, sunflowers, tulips, and most attractive designs. These flowers can make the garden bright and cheerful. Green plants, trees give full shades and fresh air. You can also grow a vegetable like tomatoes, carrots, and different other things. Beautiful decoration ideas of people artwork designs for your trees, for your mini trees, and your house looks so attractive, guys, if you add a people artwork designs in your garden. It helps you uh, different ideas, and people artwork in a different shades usually used for the white colors, but you paint a different people art to recreate and transform your garden in a different way. Garden is it's garden decoration, it's my opinion. Garden decoration is just not a decoration, it's a hobby, and it's also home for many small creatures, and different ideas for my channels that provide you how to design a beautiful garden. Spending time in your backyard garden is good for your baby and your family, your body, your mind. Gardening is very good exercise. It helps you stay active. It also helps you feel calm and happy. Touching the soil and caring for plants and making you feel close to nature. You can also use the garden to spend time with family and friends. You can sit on the chairs, have a cup of tea, and even the joy and small picnic in the evening, the cool breeze and sounds of leaves, which makes it perfect place. So guys, watch these videos that is most attractive and most beautiful. The garden backyard is a special place. It brings a nature close to you. It adds a beauty, joy, peace to your life. Small garden with your small house is a perfect combination. And the garden backyard is like a small piece of paradise behind your home. It is a place full of colors, smells, sounds, and life. Many people enjoy having a garden because it helps them feel very happy, peaceful, and close to the nature. And I hope this video that is add a people artwork that recreate and change your mood, because nature change your mood. Flowers and plants bring joy. One of the best thing about the garden is the plant. You can grow many different types of flowers like roses, like tulips, like other things. The flowers makes the garden look beautiful, and the people artwork also colorful. Some flowers also smell very nice and filling the air very sweet. So thank you so much, guys, to watch my videos and watch this people artwork designs for your small garden and small places designs that transform your house. So I hope this video is very useful for you. Enjoy the colors, enjoy the days, and beautiful people artwork designs for your small garden decor designs. Thank you so much, guys, to watch this video backyard and landscaping ideas about the garden decorations designs. keep watching, stay with me with the easy craft videos. Take care and bye bye.